So introducing short answer. This is a classic activity type with a new twist. And we're going to take a look at 4 examples of ways you can use short answer in Speakable, and then we'll take a look at how to set it up. So the first is a comprehension check. Here we have a question and then a video we can watch to find the answer.
¿Cuántas personas asistieron a la reunión familiar de María?
Okay, now let's look for this answer in the video.
Casi toda. Vinieron mis padres, mis 2 hermanas, mis abuelos, unos primos. Éramos como 20 personas.
Okay. 20 personas. Now we'll submit the answer, and Speakable will grade this automatically. Now let's take a look at another activity. So here we're doing grammar practice. Conjugate the verb beber into the yo form. So let's give this a try. Okay, let's see what kind of feedback students are going to receive here. You're close. This is for the to form. Let's think about changes for the yo form in the present tense. Okay, we'll give this another try. And there we go, we've gotten it correct. Another use case here is fill in the blank. You can simply set up your fill in the blank questions here. And then Speakable will grade these automatically and provide students with feedback. And finally, we can do vocabulary and translation, simple practices to translate native language words into the target language. Now, before we go into looking at how to set these up, I want to do a quick activity here with anyone that's in the chat. So does anyone know where in the world Chatty is? Hi, Liliana. Good morning. Any guesses? Okay, we'll come back to this. So now we're in the builder looking at our short answers. To set these up, it's super easy. We can paste in our question, click on the auto grading tab, and in this case, you'll see I didn't even put a correct answer in. But we can use Speakable to generate the answer. If this is the kind of activity or the kind of question where it's a pretty obvious answer, we don't need to put anything in here. Speakable should know. If we're referencing media, we'll need to add in an answer, like the case where we were using the video here. So we've added in the correct answer for Speakable to work with. Okay. Any colonial city in Latin America? Yes. And Cartagena. Let's give it a try. Okay, Chatty is in Cartagena.